Fake earth grain to keep it clean. Sarracenia, exploring the carnivorous marvel's world. Hello YouTube friends, welcome to our new video about the carnivorous plant Sarracenia. In this video, we will teach you how to take care of this unique plant and properly maintain it. Let's start without further ado. Sarracenia, a unique plant with pitchers known for devouring insects. In this section, we'll explore the features and fascinating characteristics of this plant. History EI journey through time into the history of this intriguing plant and how it gained recognition in the world of botany. Scientific name. The scientific name of the Sarracenia plant and the significance of this name in its scientific classification. Native regions. The Sarracenia plant, also known as the pitcher plant, is a carnivorous species that is native to North America. This plant particularly thrives in the habitat of boggy areas in the southeastern United States. Its natural environment includes swamps, marshes, and other moist regions. The carnivorous plant Sarracenia is a peculiar and unique species, recognized as part of the carnivorous plant family. Scientifically known as Sarracenia, this plant is found in humid and boggy regions of North America. The following points highlight the features and characteristics of this intriguing plant. Physical structure. Sarracenia possesses a distinctive structure consisting of various sized pitcher-like formations. These pitchers act as carnivorous traps, aiding in the attraction and digestion of insects. Vibrant colors. SM Sarracenia species boast attractive and eye-catching colors, facilitating the attraction of insects. These colors range from red and green to even yellow. Species and sizes. The diversity of Sarracenia includes several different species with varying sizes and shapes. The size of these plants typically ranges from a few centimeters to several meters. Self-irrigation mechanism. Certain Sarracenia species have a self-irrigation system, collecting water through rainfall or other sources into their pitchers. Insect attraction and capture. The carnivorous pitchers of Sarracenia produce specific secretions that attract and trap insects. After insects enter the pitchers, the plant digests them, benefiting from their nutrients. Protection against animals. Due to its carnivorous properties and toxic substances, Sarracenia can protect itself against animals seeking other plants. The carnivorous plant Sarracenia, with its combination of beauty and unconventional functionality, has captured the attention of enthusiasts fascinated by unique and extraordinary plants. Maintenance conditions. Temperature and humidity. Sarracenia plants are accustomed to moderate to cool temperatures and average humidity. Watering. As carnivorous plants, Sarracenia relies on obtaining water through their own pitchers. Distilled water or rainwater are the optimal choices. Fertilization. Special fertilizers designed for carnivorous plants are used. Fertilizers rich in the necessary nutrients for carnivorous plants are suitable. Light requirements. Sarracenia requires direct sunlight and should be placed in a location with suitable light exposure. Soil. Acidic soil and a mixture of peat moss, perlite, and sand are excellent for planting Sarracenia. Propagation methods. How to propagate Sarracenia through seeds or rhizome division. If you have more information about this plant or any questions, be sure to share them in the comments section. Thank you for watching our video, and we always look forward to your constructive feedback. Until the next video, goodbye.